Welcome to Superior Heating and Air.
We're not just about fixing furnaces and air conditioners.
We're about comfortable living for you and your family.
We're a proud family-owned business of over 30 years.
From installation to maintenance, no job too big or small.
We specialize in both residential and commercial.
We can handle all your plumbing needs.
We're here 24/7 to help you with all your heating and cooling needs.
We have a 4.7 Google rating. Our customers love us.
Save $25 off any service, or do a furnace clean and tune for only $79.